What's up? My name is Charlie. I am the designer of the 7 Pendant. This is an assembly video on how to put it together. It's very straightforward. There's no glue or screws. There's just, 3D printed screws. But other than that, it's very straightforward. So let's get started. By the way, thank you so much for buying this and printing it out for yourself. It means a lot to me. I really enjoy when people print my stuff. So to start, you're gonna need your bottom diffusers, 7 of those, 7 top diffusers, all your pins, should be 21 pins. I took mine all off here just so that they're ready to go. You're gonna need your bottom brackets along with your top brackets. There'll be 7 of those. And then your tip top, your socket, ring, your middle ring, and then your bottom ring. That should be everything you need to get to make the pendant itself. And of course you'll need your socket and your light bulb. This is a very straightforward build. The lamp itself is pretty simple to make. It doesn't require a lot of craziness. I first like to start off with taking my socket and putting it through the tip top and then into its place. So it's already ready to go. So now from here you build as you go now. Take one of your top brackets and you're gonna slide in the first one in and just line up the holes. Take your pin and just pop it in. Now you can take your tip top and put it on just like that. That's how you get going. So you can do the rest, just repeat everything, just get them all into place. Some of them can be difficult. Just make sure that your elephant's foot on your pins are good, because if you have an elephant's foot, that's what's going to cause a lot of your problems with getting pins in. That's the top section. You can take your middle ring and just flex it into place. So it's holding like that. Then you can take one of your bottom brackets and you want to line it up so that they just fit nicely together. Match up your hole from one of your pins and just push it in. Sometimes it hurts the finger to push it, so just take an end of a screwdriver or whatever you want to push it through. And you take your bottom ring with the pin and put it through. And now you just repeat that process 7 more times. You have it. That's your structure. So now, doesn't matter, start at top to bottom, put these on. All you gotta do is take your finger, hold the edge, pop it over. Finger, hold the edge, pop it. It's a little bit different, like you kind of do it the opposite way. Opposite direction, get it started, and then bend it over. Bottom. Now for the top, same thing. Make sure like your shiny side's out, right? Actually, it depends on how you want to do it, but you can the same way. Exact same thing. Pop it over. And around. There you have it. There you have it. It's all done. Pins and tension. Next we'll move on to the hanger. This one is, I think, super simple. You're gonna wanna have your cord handy just so that you're kind of ready to go with it. So how you start, you can start off with your back pulley, just pop it in, and then take your pins, just something like that, and then turn it over. Again, like that, turn it over, holding it in place. Now you're gonna take your back pulley wheel along with your cable. Just put your cable through it and take your pulley wheel. And put it in flat facing down. Like that. Now you can take your brackets. Hang this downward for now. Put on this front. Take your back bars, top bars, notch it in, slide it back, notch it in, slide it back. Your top pulley. Bring your cable up. Face your pin flat edge down. Your pulley wheel. So these are the pieces that you'll need for this. How I start, you just take your two clamps and put them together. You can take your screw, line it up, and just begin screwing it together. And then you can take your big pins and put them through the hole. Beside it. Take your spring. It actually might be too big of a spring, but it works. And there you have it. This is how you do it. You choose your length, whatever you want to do it. Put this on. Put on your. Slide this in place. There you go. If you guys want to glue all this, like these parts in, you can just glue these in if you want, because they just unclip. Everything's just held in place, probably just by the weight of it, and It won't come all apart, but if you want to put it back where you want to glue it, go for it. There you go. 7 pendant. Very straightforward, very easy to build, very easy to print. As long as your TPU is dry and your build plate has some glue on it for the TPU, and you have a good printer, a decent will do, everything will work out for you. So thank you so much for purchasing this lamp. I appreciate it. It really means a lot to me. I hope you enjoy it. If you want to see more like this, I'm open to making more pendants and more lamps in this style, because I think they're very simple and they're very cool. I could even probably simplify it further. So have a good day. And of course, when it comes to your wall hanger, like the little hook there, just take a screw, whatever wood screw you have, and just screw it into the wall. Find that notch, lift it up, just come down. And if you need just to adjust the height, just pull this out, and then just remove the clamp, and just move it up on the cord. And when you have your cord in your spot, you just put it in diagonally. That's how it rests, like that. And there you have it. I hope this was a pretty simple build for you. I do hope you enjoyed it. It's a fun, simple little lamp. Okay, peace out.